Hello everyone, welcome to Draft and Strength. So this is our sixth problem on orthographic projection. For this problem, total length is equal to 75 plus 36 is equal to 111, that is 111. Then width is equal to 72 and the height is equal to 68. We have to draw a front view looking in the direction X, then the side view and the top view. So if this video feels too fast at any point, you can pause it and reduce the playback speed in your YouTube setting for better understanding. Okay, so and make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out upcoming videos. So let's start our actual construction. So let's start with the front view. So for front view, first of all, draw one rough box that the total length is equal to 75 plus 36. So it is equal to 111. So the length is equal to 111 and the height is equal to 68. So draw this rough box. So our front view will get fixed in that box. Next, starting with the right side column, so here the length is equal to 25 of that column and the base height is equal to 12, so mark 12 and draw one horizontal line. For orthographic projection, observe 3D object carefully and transfer all the visible features step by step into the front view, and always begin with the light construction lines. Don't press too hard. Once your drawing is accurate, after that darken it with the finer visible lines. Okay, so here in the front view, the cylindrical height is equal to 36, so mark 36 vertically, and the larger diameter of the cylinder, it is 72, so mark 72 and draw horizontal line, because whenever we see from the front section, so that curved lines are converted into the horizontal lines, and the vertical height is equal to 24 up to base. So complete it. Next, so draw one center line that is at 36 from the left side, so draw it vertically. Then next, there is one vertical column, so draw that horizontal line which is visible. So here our visible part is get complete. So next, move towards the invisible part. So here in a vertical column there is one rectangular slot, so draw that vertical line which is invisible, so show it with the dotted lines. Next, there is one hole, so mark first center line. So from upper direction it is at 16, so draw center line, and the diameter of the hole, it is 16, so at the both side of the center line mark 88 mm, and the depth it is given, it is 10, so mark 10 first and then show it with the hidden lines. So here our circular portion is get complete. So next, move towards the cylindrical part. So here the 56 is the diameter of the inner cylinder, so mark 28 at the both side of the center line and draw the hidden line. So here the depth is given, it's 20, so mark 20 first and draw the vertical hidden lines up to 20. So here is the hidden line of the 56 dia cylinder, and draw the horizontal line because here the depth is given. If the depth is not given, at that time you have to draw the hidden lines up to last. Okay, then next move towards the 32 dia cylinder. So it is also not visible from the front view, and here the depth is not given, so you can draw the hidden lines up to last. Next, the inner circle, last one, it is dia 16, so mark 88 mm at the both side and draw the hidden lines. So here our front view is get complete. So next move towards the dimensioning. Dimension controls drawing. So if your dimensions are correct, your drawing will be correct. So give proper dimensioning to your views. So this is all about front view. So next move towards the top view. So here for top view, the total length is equal to 111 and the width is equal to 72. So mark 72 and 111 and draw one rough box. So our top view will get fixed in that box. So observe object first. So starting with the right side, that is the rectangular portion. So draw one projection lines. So here one rectangular slot in that vertical column. So mark that dimensions in a top view. So next move towards the circular or the cylindrical part. First of all draw center line. So all the cylinder or all the circles are concentric. Concentric means the center point is same for all. Okay, so first of all draw 72 mm dia circle, and there is one vertical column small. So mark the dimensions 10 mm from the both side of the center line and complete it. Then again next move towards the inner circle, that is 56 mm dia. Then next 32 mm dia, and last one small, it is 16 mm dia. So complete it with one center line because all the cylinders or the circles are concentric. Okay, then next that outer edge is visible from the top view, so complete it. Draw that both lines. Next move towards the hidden portion. So here there is a slot of circular slot in a vertical column, so it is not visible from the top view, so you have to show it with the hidden lines. So again the dia, it is 16, so 88 mm both side of the center line, mark it, and the depth it is 10 again, so show it with the hidden lines. In the top view, this is only the hidden portion. So I think yes, this is all about top view. So here the top view is get complete and mention all the dimensions. Once your imagination is clear, so it's not difficult to draw the orthographic projection from the 3D object. So total length is equal to 111 and here is the top view. So next move towards the side view. So here the side view means it's a left hand side view, so we have to draw it to the right of the front view. So draw the 45-degree line and with the projections draw that rough box. That height is equal to 68 and the width is equal to 72. So the outer lines are visible, so draw that lines and complete the rectangle. Next move towards the circle. So take a projection from the front view and top view. So you will get center line, center point. So the dia of the circle, it is 16. So draw that circle. So next here the cylindrical height, it is at 36. So take projection from the front view. Always remember that whenever you draw the side view, you have to take projection from the front view and the top view. With that projection only your side view will get complete, and it's very easy. There is no any imagination. With projections your side view definitely will get complete and it's always correct. Okay, so here for a cylindrical portion I am taking the projections from the top view, okay, and from the front view also. So here the height, it is at 36, so it's visible curve lines are converted into the horizontal, and the depth it is given, it's 20. So up to 20 there is a hidden line of the dia 56 mm. Okay, so here the 56 mm dia cylindrical portion hidden lines are get complete. Next move towards the 32. So take projections from the top view, project it up to the front. Okay, so next draw the hidden lines. These are up to last, up to end. Okay, so these hidden lines are 32 mm dia circle. Then next last inner slot, it is 16 mm dia cylinder. So again take projection from the top view and draw the hidden lines. So here our circular portion hidden lines are get complete. Okay, then next move towards the vertical column. There is one vertical column which is the height of that vertical column, it's 24. So that two lines are not visible, so draw it in a side view. Then next there is one rectangular slot in a vertical column, so that two hidden lines are not again that two lines are not visible from the side view, so show it with the hidden lines or the dash lines. So with this dotted lines of the rectangular slot, our side view is get complete. So again show the dimensions or project the dimensions of the side view. So here our front view, top view and the side view of this 3D object is get complete. Hope you understand the orthographic projection of this object. If you like this kind of content related to engineering subjects, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.